Hi everyone, this is Sutefoto T15 and I am here today to do the unboxing video for the light we won from 35mm. That's the Sutefoto RGB LED video light. Yeah, that's the light we won from 35mm. We were gracious enough to send it down to us and want to do the unboxing video today. So the pack, the light comes like this. It's packed this way. Yeah, packed this way, and very lightweight, not something heavy. So I think I love that about it. And don't worry, I've actually opened it before, but hey guys, because I need to confirm. But hey, so we're doing that again. Yeah, so yep. See. So the first thing we have here is the manual is here, but something on top. So they said the number 1, yeah, that one, and then the manual. You have the manual. That's the manual. Yeah, that's the manual there. I don't know many people read manual nowadays, but I'll try my best to see. I'll go through it. I better still watch a YouTube video. But I think I'll go through it. I'll just flip through it and see what's included. Also, you can download you can scan the barcode here to download the app for the light. You can scan the barcode to do that. Yeah, so also there's the charging cable, the Type-C charging cable that comes with it. The Type-C charging cable that comes with it. Yeah, you see, yeah, there we have the hot shoe. Also have the hot shoe. Yeah, we have the hot shoe that can be tiny. Yeah, that's the hot shoe there. That's the hot shoe. You can see it. And now the main, yeah. It did not carry too much. Very light. Yeah. So, hey guys. And the light has come. Light is yeah, so that's the light. Crazy. Yeah, that's the light. So very lightweight. You see, very lightweight. I love how portable it is. Let me try and transfer the on and off switch is there. Yeah, the on and off switch is there here, and also the charging port is here. You can see it, right? Yeah. That's it. So let me just turn it on and see. Oof. See what we are? Just manage the video like that. Just manage the video like that. And from the indicator here, you can see what's called the temperature of the light, and also the battery power, and also the brightness. Yeah, the brightness of the light from where you can see. Yeah, so it's a good light, and I hope to actually make the best use of this in my video, and also in my in my pictures. For my photography, actually, this will actually come in handy. Yeah, very well. Yeah, it also has this here where you could actually attach it to a stand. And it has two, one there and another one here. So you can either use it horizontally or you can use it vertically. Yeah, so that's the main thing. Yeah. There's no charger here to it though, just a cable. Same thing. Yeah, the shoe. Yeah.
Yeah, so those are the basic 4 things that comes with it, but I appreciate the fact that it's very light and easily carried. Actually, you can even put it in your pocket and use. And so yeah, that's it. Just want to say a big shout out to 35mm for this kind gesture. The first thing we are winning this January 2025. This shows that more still to come, and we look forward to better days ahead in 2025. So go on this journey with us. Just as I've said before, I'll use this more for content creation and also for my photography work. You'll see this basically in most of my behind the scenes going forward, and I'm very sure you will love it. This will actually bring a great change. So I would have spent another money to get this, but I think this came in handy, and I appreciate 35mm for that. So you guys follow 35mm on Instagram and also subscribe to your YouTube channel. They are doing great work. So thank you. Until the next time I see you guys.